Alright, YouTube, well, it's an awesome day, and I got my pipes, my mouth-blown Piper's Choice small pipes, and I'm going to calibrate this bass drone. I'm going to see if I can get more volume out of this drone. See if I can't get it a little more louder. See what it sounds like already. You know what, let's put it in the pipes. And we'll play a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit of dawning of the day. Well, they sound okay, but let's go ahead and I'll, yes, normally I wouldn't tune my pipes like this, but I kind of want to watch a YouTuber by the name of Matt Willis, and he has some pretty loud pipes, so. Okay, I'm going to move this bridle up a little more. Okay, let's see what we got here. You know, let's push it in, see what it does. I'm just going to see what it sounds like with the reeds pushed in, so we're going to calibrate. Okay, that reed is really quiet, so I'm going to push it out a little more. Bring this reed out. I find the loudest is right there. I'm going to go ahead and push my tuning screw somewhat in. Well, let me see. I'm going to go ahead and test it out. So we're going to go ahead and test it out. All right. Okay, that is probably not. Well, I may have to push the bridle down a little bit because it's designed to work at a lower pressure. Let's see. Maybe if I blow it at a lower pressure. Check the reed. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see if that makes a difference. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and shut the bass drone off, or the tenor drone. I'm going to see what it sounds like with just the bass drone. Okay, that sounds cool already. Yes, I'll still be able to tune the small pipes. Let's go ahead and calibrate this drone a little bit. I kind of want to get it to a more softer tone to kind of balance out I need the bass drone to have a little more prominence. So I'm going to just shut this. Well, I don't want to completely shut the bass drone down, but, I kind of want to get it to